Hey there everybody. I'm always saving photos of beautiful artwork on my phone. I just keep photos of beautiful artwork that is very inspiring to me. And I have a piece that is a little bit more on the abstract side, which I really enjoy because I'm actually embracing abstract art more than I used to. I was a realistic painter only. I have just become more and more in love with abstract art, especially through fluid art. So very quickly, I am going to pour on an 18 by 24 black canvas, and I'm going to put a wet layer of black, which is in my thing here, and this is 50/50 Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black with Owatrol and a little water. So here is the Owatrol Easy Flow, which is water-based paint conditioner. I am adding 1:1 ratio today. Multiple colors from Arteza, the 60-piece set. They're 0.74 ounce tubes, and I've actually used them multiple times for different pours. But you only need a little tiny bit. These are 3-ounce cups, and you can tell I have about 1.5 ounces of paint in this cup. So I am using probably less than 1/2 ounce in each of these cups, and then I put another 1 part paint to 1 part Owatrol. And I did not want any water in it this time. It's on the thicker side, but I don't want any water. I want this to be abstract, and if there's a few cells, that's fine, but I don't really expect any. And I'm going to use my white, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White mixed with Owatrol 50/50. I'm going to use that in a squeeze bottle for some accents, but I wanted kind of a rainbow of colors. Okay, so I really actually like it a lot. It is bizarre. It almost looks like a temple, like an Asian temple or something like that. A cross between a dragon and an Asian temple. When I show you my inspiration piece that I loved of another artist, you're going to look at my piece and you're going to say, well, Sandra, you just did not achieve that look at all. And I'm going to say you're exactly right. I guess that was not my spirit's intention. Here is the piece that I love, and I will try to do this look again. It is just splashes of color. You know, this has nothing, it has no look like this at all. I will keep it for another day for inspiration to try to do it again. And like I said, this is extremely different from what I expected, what I envisioned. As you could see, my inspiration piece was nothing like what I've ended up painting, and which is sometimes humorous because you just have to laugh with God, because just like life, things never go sometimes as we expect it to. I want to be able to reach people in some form or fashion through my heart, sincerely. This is not just for kicks and giggles. This is my outreach to you. And I am just grateful that you are following my journey. And I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you watching me and following my journey. So I've brought you down to my level, and there's a lot of reflection from the lights. I've turned off several of them, but this is a close-up of this piece. There's just some really beautiful areas of it. I put that contrast through the pink because the pink was just too much, and so the complement of red is green, so that's why I brought in these colors. And I kind of work with complementary colors throughout the piece. If there is a color that needs something complementary, I kind of butt that color up to the other color. So like through here, the blue tones, I wanted some orangey red tones, and the green here contrasting. That's why I chose that to go out in that corner. That's why here there was too much blue-green, so I added the orange and red tones to contrast it. Same as up here. So I often use contrasting colors, even with a rainbow of colors, you know, that is used throughout the piece. I'm zoomed all the way out, so there you can see the wet piece, and obviously at the end of the video, like I always do, I will post the dried piece so you can see how everything dried, the cells and everything. And a lot of this stuff that you see, there's some bubbles there. This will all level out. The black will level out and everything. So you won't see all those lumps and bumps. And then when you put a glossy varnish on, after it's dried, it brings all that vibrancy of the color back to life as if it were wet again. That's the beauty of varnishing a canvas, especially with a black background, because when black dries, it's very flat. And I don't use Mars Black because it's not dark enough. So that's why I like the Artist Loft Black, because it is very dark, and when you put gloss over it, it becomes like pitch black like that. black needs a varnish coat to make it black again, and so do those vibrant colors against the black. So I think this is really gorgeous. I love it, and I hope you did. Thanks.